Now this is the question name. What is the question name? Single answer objective question. Okay. Now we can type the question. Evaluate some integration part is there. Evaluate some integral of 0 to x, some part is there. Okay, now I can add an image. See, this is insert image. Click on that. Okay, find or upload an image. Click on. Okay, next. It's not a. No, guys. Yeah, click on upload file. Sorry, click on upload file. Okay, choose a file. That image is stored on my desktop. So this is the image. Now open, upload this file. Okay, upload a file, choose a file and upload. So this is the integral of 1 minus t whole power 9 dt. Now we can insert. Yes, see, evaluate integral 1 minus t whole power 9 dt. Okay, what is the default mark maybe 1. You can leave it. Now come to the choice. In the choice there is also image formation. Okay, now you can insert image, find or upload an image, click on upload file, choose a file. This is the choice one, so I named it as C1. Open, click on C1 and open. I doesn't know the exact answer of this one because I am not a mathematics faculty. Just I am giving some equation part. Okay, in image formation. Let it be. Maybe this may be answer. You can give the answer. Yeah. See. Now maybe this is the answer. You can give 100%. And next choice 2. There is also a image. Upload a file. Choose a file. C2 option 2. Upload this file. That is the file. This is the second option. Okay. Now only I will give only 2 options. See, save changes and continue editing. Now I will check the preview. See, the options are appears like this. This is the evaluate integral 1 minus t whole power 9 dt. Options are appears like this. Okay, I doesn't know the answer. Just I am giving small values in image formation. Okay, now we can submit. We can check once again. Submit once again. If x square may be answer, yeah, x square may be answer. You can check the preview and save changes. See, the third question is appears on page 2. The third question is appears on page 2. Now I can add a multiple matching type questions. Now add matching type. matching type. What is the default? Now we can give a question text. What is the question text? Match the following sentences with suitable answers. With suitable answer. Suppose I will give four options, four matchings, four sentences. So total marks is 4. Default mark is 4. Okay. There is a sibling option is there. Okay. Yeah. See. Uh, permeability of diamagnetic materials. Permeability of the diamagnetic material. We can give the answer for the same question in this box. Okay. Less than unit. Sorry, less than unit. Less than unit. Next, second question. Which materials magnetized opposite to the applied field. Field. Diamagnetic. Now I gave only two matchings. We must supply at least two questions and three answers. Yeah. Two questions and three answers. Okay. Next answer is, that is a dummy answer. Maybe ferro magnetic materials. Saved. Sorry, I forgotten to show the preview. Just and after typing the question, you can click on the question. Okay, it appears like this. Now you can check the preview. Yeah, preview. See, which materials magnetize opposite to the applied field? Less than unity, ferromagnetic material, diamagnetic material, materials. Next, permeability of diamagnetic material, less than unity. Now we can submit the answer by checking. Yes, both are correct. Okay, now we can close. Now save changes. Now see, the total marks for this matching type is 4 marks. Okay, how many marks are there? 1, 1, 1, 4. Total marks are 7 marks. Are clear? After adding the questions, we can save all the questions. You can save. Now I will show you how to APS in the student point of view. Click on live mock exam. See, preview quiz now. See, quiz will not available until Sunday. Something closes on Sunday. This is the appearing time and this is the closing time, the time limit. Okay, grading method is highest grade. You can click on the preview, start attempt. Yes, see, this is the question 1, these are the options. This is the question 2 and these are the options. I gave only 2 questions in page 1, so 2 questions are appears in page 1 only. If you are adding another question in page 2, on page 2, that can also appears, in the below. So now click on this one. I didn't put exact answers, but I'm just clicking next page. See, this is the third question. Third question is also there. See, the time lefting elapsed time is shows is here. Okay, now see how many questions I attempted. How many questions? 2 questions. Okay, in page 1. If you want to move previous page, you can move to previous page and see. I will remove the no option for removing it, just for editing option only in the student point of view. Next page. Okay, next page. This is the matching type. These are all matching type questions. Finish that. Answer saved. Now submit and finish all. Submit and finish all. See, starting time, status, completed time, time taken to complete the exam, marks, 7 marks. These are all answers. Appears in student point of view. Okay, next finish the report.